What's going on, everyone? Today we're talking about the cost of care for adult day, for home care, for assisted living and nursing homes, and what is the future cost of these services over the next 10 and 20 years. This is an important topic and it has a very big impact on the future of adult day. So stay tuned, but first, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, show a little love, and put a smile on Dre and I's face, okay? Before he's about to chuck something at me. If you don't like, comment, subscribe, okay? I'm gonna have to suffer, you know, but if you like, comment, subscribe, then we're just gonna continue on. All right, my name is Chris Chana. I'm the founder and CEO of Active Age Daytime Senior Care, and today we're talking about these different monthly costs of these different services that are available to people. And this is a study, or these numbers, I didn't just pull them out of my head. I went to Genworth Financial, and if you go to Genworth Financial, at the bottom of their page, there's a little cost of care link. You can click on that and it'll take you to like the different costs of care. And they publish a study every year too of like what the different cost of care is by, you know, state by state. Sometimes they even break it down by cities. And so you get an idea of like, you know, across the country, what are these different costs, you know, and you know, which areas are more expensive, which areas are less expensive, you know, what kind of impact is this having on the industry as a whole. So these are just general numbers as a whole. So this is an average. You know, depending on the area that you're in, this might be more or less, so just keep that in mind. But it is very interesting because this creates such a powerful case for the future of adult day. So if you have any interest in opening your own adult day center, please stay till the end on this one, because this one is gonna help build that confidence, help build the conviction that you need to overcome opening your own adult day center. So that being said, guys, right now, you know, we have a 2021, 2031, and 2041 home care costs as of 2021, you know, run around $5,148 per month. This roughly comes out to about $28 per hour for home care. But on average, they calculate it based on the need of someone having, you know, 44 hours per week over the course of, you know, an entire year divided by 12, and they come up with a monthly figure of $5,148 per month for, you know, traditional in-home care. Whereas adult day is only $1,690, like for the same hours, the same, you know, duration of the week for 44 hours a week, $1,690 per month. Is that not crazy? Like, look at the difference in that, right? Of course, you have assisted living at $4,500 per month, and you have nursing homes around $9,000 per month. Again, these prices could vary. You could be in Colorado, and that right now, today, could be $6,000. You could be up north in New Jersey, and this could be $11,000 or $12,000 today, in today's dollars. But this is an average across all of these states. Now, if you look just 10 years out, I mean, not even 10 years out, we're talking 9 years and counting. It's almost 8.5 at this point, right? By 2031, home care costs per month are gonna rise as much as $8,386 per month. Adult day is only gonna be $2,753 per month, not per week, per month. It's crazy. You got assisted living costs looking somewhere around $7,330. You have a nursing home costs somewhere around $14,715 per month. I mean, look at the savings though. Like if someone, okay, if families are faced, if middle America is faced with the realization that they're gonna need to care for their mom or their dad or a spouse or a loved one in their family, like when they're confronted with these prices in like just, you know, 8.5, 9 years from now, and they're finally entering a stage where they need to take care of their loved one, like they're gonna be, it's gonna be a brutal awakening just how expensive assisted living is gonna cost. You're gonna like call up a home care agency and it's gonna be $35, $40 an hour. And you're like, wow, mom can't afford that. Dad can't afford that. My husband, my spouse, like we can't afford that. And I need for them to go like to be somewhere during the day because I gotta work. I gotta take care of my family as, you know, and my kids and all of them as well. Like I can't do all of this. How am I gonna do all of this? How am I gonna find care for my loved ones at an affordable rate? Adult day, baby, is the answer. I mean, this is a generous study. I'm not even making this up. This is not even my bias, okay? Like, these are just the cold, hard facts. And by 2041, look at this. You have home care costs around $13,700 per month. You got assisted living costs around $12,000 a month. $12,000 a month, that's just in like literally 19 years from now. Like who is gonna be able to afford this stuff, okay? I mean, this is gonna be something for the uber rich, right? This is not gonna be for middle America, I can tell you that right now. You got nursing home costs of $23,000 a month. You know how much that is per year? That's like 300 grand a year. You know, like even this right here, I mean, how many people are truly gonna be, like, if someone had just a couple $100,000 in their savings, they would wipe that out in just like 2 years, but they might live for another 10. You know, so what are families going to do? They're gonna be confronted with this just rude awakening that, hey, look, we can't afford assisted living like we did for maybe our grandparents. We can't afford it for them, like for our own parents, like assisted living for them. It's just not gonna work. They don't have the money for that. Yeah, they have some money and they don't qualify for Medicaid. Yeah, they have 500,000 in the bank or $1 million in the bank or in some sort of like stock portfolio. Yeah, they have an income of, you know, 2,000 a month, 3,000, 4,000 a month, but they don't qualify for Medicaid. What are you going to do? How are you going to get care? I mean, look at adult day, baby. I mean, look at this, even 20 years out, on average of only being around $4,400 a month. Like, adult day is the future. If this chart does not show you that, I don't know what it does. That's my cue to shut up because I'm so passionate about this. Dre's throwing crap at me now. Anyways, guys, this is obviously, I'm really passionate about this. Obviously, I have a ton of conviction, but the reality of it is, as time goes on, people are gonna be faced with the brutal awakening that finding affordable care is gonna be very difficult. Okay, home care is gonna be too expensive, assisted living is gonna be too expensive, nursing homes are gonna be out of the question. People are gonna need a safe, alternative, affordable care option, and that is going to be adult day, and that is why adult day is gonna be the fastest growing industry over the next 20 years. Right here, this is the reason why. Not to mention people need care, but this is going to be the driving factor, just simply cost. And this is the only way to get affordable care. So anyways, it is my time. I gotta go. If you're interested in opening up your very own adult daycare, make sure you go to adcpro.com, join our monthly webinars, check out all of our daily videos, and make sure you subscribe to the channel, like, comment, do all that good stuff. If you're interested in franchising, go to activeagecare.com/franchise. We'll hook you up. We'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey guys, thank you so much for joining me. If you'd like to learn how to open your own adult daycare center, go to adcpro.com. If you'd like the latest business tips, click here, and make sure you subscribe to our channel, click here. We'll see you guys next time.